We about to watch two guys and one
One
horse.
horse.
Yes. I don't know. And it's not working.
We're gonna wait.
Gotta wait.
Mm,
Oh, we did have to wait. So it's loading. No, that's not right. It's irritating me.
oh, that's the website that Kim Kardashian will be on.
Get off of here. Oh, here you go. Okay, this is it.
Turn it up.
It's not working.
You gotta pull it.
What is they doing?
You know we can make it bigger.
What is going on?
No, he's not about to do that.
Peggy.
What is he doing? I can't see him.
He gay as fuck. That's what he doing. He gay. He fucking gay. This don't make no damn sense. My ass. Oh. Oh. Uh. 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 What the fuck did we just watch? What did we just witness? Because that shit
Ow!
was the weirdest shit ever.
I don't like that. That was nasty.